Hi everybody, my name is Danny. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that on my channel I have videos from all over the world, different adventures and trips that I've had the opportunity to take. But I'm originally from Gloucester County, New Jersey, and today I want to do something a little different. I want to go ahead and run through some of the top places, in my opinion, to visit in Gloucester County, a video that's a little bit more close to home. We're coming into summertime right now, and so I wanted to do this video on, in my opinion, my favorite places to visit in Gloucester County, New Jersey. And so all these places are gonna be outdoors, they're gonna be free, and they're gonna be family friendly, and definitely places I would recommend checking out. If you like this video, please like it, please leave a comment, please share it, please subscribe to my channel. And also I'd encourage you to check out another video I have on the top 10 state parks in New Jersey. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll flash the link up on the screen right now as well in the upper right hand corner. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. The top places to visit this summer in Gloucester County, New Jersey. So, number 6, starting out the list, is James G. Atkinson Memorial Park, which is formerly known as Bethel Mill. You can always tell how long somebody's lived in Gloucester County by whether they call it Bethel Mill or Atkinson Park. Whatever the case may be, it's a really awesome place to visit as a family. There's tennis courts, basketball courts, baseball courts, jungle gyms. There's a very nice walking area down by the river. Also a nice place in fall when the leaves are changing colors, but great in summer as well. Obviously this is a list for summer, but a place to check out, definitely warrants your attention. I actually worked there one summer, and so it's a place that I've spent a lot of time at. But starting off the list at number 6, Atkinson Park. Number 5 is Greenwich Lake Park. This is really kind of a hidden gem in Gibbstown. Not very well known by any means whatsoever. Every time I go there, I've been there many times, there's hardly anybody there for the most part. It's pretty empty other than a few fishermen. But as the name suggests, it has a lake. The lake is stocked, so there's plenty of opportunity for fishing. But even if you're not into fishing, it's a great place to go to see turtles, to hang out, enjoy nature. Beautiful area. And so for me, it's a place that I really do enjoy visiting on a summer afternoon. It's a great place to have a picnic, wherever it is that you want to do outdoors. So number 5, Greenwich Lake Park. Number 4 is the Monroe Township Bike Path. And this path, I've actually seen a number of different names for it, depending on where you're looking. But I'll call it the Monroe Township Bike Path because that's the name that seems to be the most common. And it runs between Glassboro and Williamstown. And so if you do the whole path, round trip, it's about 12.5 miles. It's very level ground, so it's very family friendly. You don't have to be in the greatest of shape or have this incredible amount of biking experience to be able to do it. I actually discovered this bike path by accident. One day I was driving, I had a flat tire, had to leave my car to get the tire fixed at a shop in Glassboro, and happened to have my bike in the car with me. And so I took my bike to where I was going, and the GPS on my bike took me down this bike path. So that's how I discovered it originally, but it's an awesome place. There's also some mountain bike paths that kind of spin off of it, and so that's kind of cool to check out if you're into mountain biking. I don't know if they would officially be considered part of the path, but it's something that's cool to check out as well. Number 3 is Red Bank Battlefield Park, which is a national park. This is one of the most well-known parks in Gloucester County because of the historical significance. Even today, if you go there, it's very common to see reenactments. But beyond that, it's a beautiful park, a lot of open space, great place to throw a frisbee around, throw a football around, have a catch. It's right on the Delaware River, so great place to see the sunset over the water, over the Philadelphia skyline. Very close to the airport, you can see planes coming and going to Philadelphia Airport. And so an awesome place to check out, Red Bank Battlefield Park. Number 2 is Riverwinds in West Deptford. Now Riverwinds, I do want to clarify, I said at the beginning of this video that all the places on this list are free. And that is true. There's a lot to do for free at Riverwinds. There is this awesome area down by the river where you are literally right across from the Philadelphia Airport. You see planes coming and going. There is a paved trail that you could walk on or bike on. There's also a nature trail that's dirt that you can go through a little loop. And there's tons of deer, actually lots of skunk as well, so watch out for that if you're with kids. There is a restaurant and there is a golf course there as well. Obviously those are not free, But even like leaving those out, I've never been to the restaurant, I've never been to the golf course, and I still consider it number 2 because it's just such an awesome place to watch the sunset. You can pack your own lunch, bring it down, or own dinner I should say, excuse me, bring it down and hang out and watch the sunset. It's a great place to hang out. And then finishing off the list at number 1 is Scotland Run Park in Clayton. What makes Scotland Run Park the number 1 spot for me, specifically when I'm thinking about places to visit this summer, is that all summer long at Scotland Run, Saturdays and Sundays, there are free canoes and kayaks available to take out on the lake. And it's a really awesome experience, 100% free. You can go every weekend, twice a weekend if you want to, and it's not going to cost you anything. A great place to spend an afternoon, and it's worth noting as well that that's not even the only attraction. There is also hiking trails and places to hang out, and so definitely a place to check out. I will mention, if you're watching this shortly after I released the video, this year I do believe that June 12th is the date that they will be starting with the canoe and kayak rentals. And so I don't know at what point you'll be watching this, but if you're watching this before June 12th, don't show up and think, oh man, he led us astray. But yeah, once they get that going, they'll be going all summer long, and so definitely a place to check out. And so this concludes my top places to visit this summer in Gloucester County, New Jersey. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said at the beginning, if you enjoyed it, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, leave a comment. Thank you guys so much. Have a great summer. Enjoy your summer in Gloucester County and beyond. And as always, happy travels. Bye.